Welcome to our yoga studio. Today we're going to show you 10 easy yoga poses that will help you relieve stress and feel more relaxed. Let's get started. The first pose is called Child's Pose. This pose is great for stretching your back and calming your mind. Start by kneeling on the floor with your toes touching and your knees apart. Then lower your torso down to the floor and stretch your arms out in front of you. Take a deep breath in and out and feel the tension in your body start to melt away. The second pose is Downward Facing Dog. This pose is great for stretching your hamstrings and relieving tension in your shoulders. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back, straightening your arms and legs. Take a deep breath in and out and feel the stress in your body start to release. The third pose is Warrior Two. This pose is great for building strength in your legs and improving your balance. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Then step your left foot back and turn it out to the side. Bend your right knee and stretch your arms out to the sides. Take a deep breath in and out and feel your body become more grounded and centered. The fourth pose is Tree Pose. This pose is great for improving your balance and focus. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart, then shift your weight onto your left foot and lift your right foot up to rest on your left thigh. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and take a deep breath in and out. Feel your body become more stable and calm. The fifth pose is Cat Cow. This pose is great for stretching your spine and relieving tension in your neck and shoulders. Start on your hands and knees, then arch your back up like a cat and tuck your chin to your chest. Then, lower your back down like a cow and lift your head up. Take a deep breath in and out and feel the tension in your spine start to release. The sixth pose is Cobra Pose. This pose is great for stretching your chest and improving your posture. Start by lying on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders. Then, lift your chest up and straighten your arms. Take a deep breath in and out and feel your chest open up and your shoulders relax. The seventh pose is Seated Forward Bend. This pose is great for stretching your hamstrings and calming your mind. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Then reach forward and grab your feet or ankles. Take a deep breath in and out and feel the tension in your legs start to release. The eighth pose is Bridge Pose. This pose is great for strengthening your back and opening up your chest. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Then lift your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Take a deep breath in and out and feel your back become stronger and more flexible. The ninth pose is Legs Up the Wall. Pose. This pose is great for improving circulation and reducing swelling in your legs. Start by lying on your back with your legs up against a wall. Relax your arms by your sides and take a deep breath in and out. Feel the tension in your legs start to release. And finally, the 10th pose is Corpse Pose. This pose is great for complete relaxation and rejuvenation. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides and your legs slightly apart. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Allow your body to completely relax and let go of any remaining tension. Remember, practicing these yoga poses regularly can help you manage stress and promote overall well-being. Take the time to prioritize self-care and give yourself the gift of relaxation. Namaste.